This is one of the tool which you can use to spy on your competitors business, as well as we use this tool for getting ideas for our ads. We try to get the competitor of our company or the competitors of our clients. So let's sign up and let's you have a free account access and you will get a lot of information in the free account itself. So let's go and sign up now. Only thing, when you create an account you need to understand that നിങ്ങൾക്ക് domain email മാത്രമേ ഇത് create ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ. You can't create this with any free like Gmail, Hotmail അങ്ങനത്തെ മെയിലിനകത്തൊന്നും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് create ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Once I create an account, so now it asks my details to fill my company details, so I will just fill this and so it's just basic information asked, so I just finished. So now it's asking me to choose a plan. So I will go with the free plan. It's start like 250 for 500 and I will get fair enough research. So ഞാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ purpose വേണ്ടി this is enough for me. So I will just go with the free plan. So this brand is basically more focused to outside the country. So you have like company explorer where you can go and directly search for the different brands, and you can select some things in favorite like Jara I have added as a favorite, and then AI analyst, so you can ask any e-commerce related questions to it. Trends, what are the trending, what terms are trending, if like you just adding like nuts, so you will see that what are the things is trending in the nuts particular section, and you will get those information here. So trends, then marketing assets library, it's all about like how they advertisement, they do creatives, what kind of creative they're working on, all those kind of content you will see here. This is what നമ്മൾ basically use ചെയ്യുന്നത്. We take these brands, discover these brands, and we'll go into our ads library or Google Ads transparency. There we'll try to rectify the ads of the Google Ads as well as Meta Ads, all those sections. Event feeds, so if something event related segments you will see here. Product explorer, if you upgrade then only you will able to see this related to each product database. Advanced, like dashboard, compare like how much is money they are making, product makes, so many informations. So if you are working with international clients, this kind of tools is very helpful for you to find the right competitor. So I start from here, so let's, I need to go with the Jara only, so I need to find the Jara related information. So you can overview events, pricing, events, what are the events they are putting anything, and the pricing of the different various product. Now you can see that color variations, what type of colors, type of product, so variations you can see what are the things are there. Assets, different assets what they are using, like branding materials, all those sections, home pages where they are sending people, all those sections. So when I come to overview, you can see that this is the website, and you can just open that URL in the new. This is Zara's website, and the location and English where you want it actually, and data since 2023 they have data, data available dollars, and the social, all competitors who all are if you want to compare you can just click there, and you can see that you can compare with all your competitors who all are the competitors are there. So you can pick any competitors from here. So you wanted to compare Jara with which uh, competitor, you can select that. So that's the segment. So for an example, let's search ASOS, and you can see that when they started, data available, country, targeting, all those things. So this is the basic research. Then we take this brand and we go to Facebook ads library, and we use Google ads transparency centers, and let's open these two, and I will select all, and all category, and I will search with the brand name, here in Meta. So you will see that Jara, this is the main account, and now you can see all the ads what they are running here. And I'm using an extension, that's why it's showing me the save options to download the clip, all the sections. Even you can just open this and you can see that what's this ad about. You can see it's just different style images what they are running ad. Transparency location, European Union what they are running, Netherlands locations, all those sections you can see, all country reasons, what are the age group. So when you use these platforms and find different ads, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാം. Then you can go like see that strapless and asymmetric tops. So this is one the trending one. So now you can go and check that this particular keyword status in our tool. So you can use different platforms to find those ads what their main product and what they targeting mostly on ads, all those sections. Then you can come here. If you have a TikTok or VPN, you can check the TikTok ads also. Then Pinterest. So I didn't find the Jara, the particular product, so I just Jara Homes an example എടുത്തു. Then LinkedIn library, these are the library we can use for check the advertisement other than Meta as well as Google transparency allate. So hope you find some value with these videos and you're able to get multiple audience, multiple brands you discover with this process and പോയിട്ട് അതിനു വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ പ്രോപ്പറായിട്ട് റിസർച്ച് ചെയ്യാം. Hope you like this video. If you like, make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and keep learning.